Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable curly Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, this adorable little penguin for the center. I have deco mesh in blue, white, and black. I also have black ribbon. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with the black mesh or ribbon, but I have both just in case. Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I've cut my deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I have cut my stems in half. I also have some ribbon that I have cut into an 8-inch long piece. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with the mesh or the ribbon, but I'm going to make bundles with both and then decide from there. So to make my bundles, and this one I'm going to roll into curls as opposed to diagonals. I do have some wreaths that I have made with diagonals that I will link in the description box down below. But for this specific wreath, I'm just going to roll my mesh into a cute little curl. Just like that. Take my white, roll it into a curl. And another blue. So I have several options for my bundles. I have some bundles that are just blue and white deco mesh, some that are blue, white, and black deco mesh, and some that are blue, white deco mesh with black ribbon. Again, I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to use the mesh or the ribbon, or maybe even a combination of both. But I'm going to go ahead and get all of my other bundles made, and we'll start placing it on our wreath. Alright, so I have made several bundles, and I'm going to start placing them on my wreath. Depending on the size wreath ring you use, and also how many bundles you like, and just personal preference, you can either place the bundles in the center two rings, or you can alternate outer two, inner two, outer two, inner two, or you can place a bundle on each individual ring. I have honestly done every method, and I like them all for different reasons, so just go with whichever method you like best. So this time I'm actually going to use the center two rings. I'm just going to take my bundle, place it on the center two rings, and twist it. And then tuck it away. Take another bundle, center two rings, and twist. And I'm going to repeat this step all the way around my wreath. I kind of like to get several bundles placed to decide how many bundles I want in each section. I usually go with 5 or 6 bundles in each section. If you want a thicker, poofier wreath, then you can definitely add more bundles. It's completely up to you. I'm going to get all of the bundles placed in this first section and show you what it's looking like. Okay, so this is 5 bundles in this first section. I'm just kind of adjusting and maneuvering. So I could definitely add another bundle to this section. I like to get all of my bundles in place, and then if I feel like I need to add more, then I'll go from there. That's the great thing about it. You can kind of adjust it, change it up, and move things around as much as you'd like. All right, let's get some more bundles in place. So I've gotten all of my bundles in place. I decided to alternate between the black ribbon and the black mesh. You can add more black if you'd like. You can just have the blue and the white, whatever you prefer. I also went with 5 bundles in each of my 6 sections. Again, you can add more bundles, less bundles. It's completely up to you. And this wreath looks so cute and adorable already. You could definitely leave it like this. I have done that several times before. But I'm going to go ahead and add this adorable little penguin to the center. So this is actually a yard sign. So I'm just going to take off the wooden stake at the bottom of my sign. So I'm going to place a stem at the top and a stem at the bottom. And it's long enough to where I don't have to double up on the stems. I just want to make sure I have enough hanging off of the side of my sign. And I'm just going to hot glue it in place. Alright, so I'm going to place it in the center. And I'm just going to push my mesh aside so that I can attach my stem to the actual wreath ring. A couple of times, just like that. And then I'm just going to cover it with my mesh. And I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. Alright, so I have all stems in place. I'm just kind of fluffing and adjusting my mesh, make sure I don't have too much of it hidden behind the sign. It looks so cute and precious already. You can definitely add more embellishments, you can leave off the sign, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.